the owners of this place, the owners of our subject, because we are the owners. What we have, the land we're cultivating, we are borrowed from them. Don't say, I inherited this land from my grandfather or from my father. The land you are cultivating, you did not inherit from your father or from your grandfather. You borrowed it from these people who are sitting, the people who are playing, those ones who are standing, the youth. Some of them are in yellow there. They don't even follow what I'm saying. They are the true owner of the land which we call ours. We never inherited from our parents. We borrowed from them. If you borrow something from someone, you have a duty to return what you borrowed to that person in good condition. Isn't it so?
Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.ℎ𝕙𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚.